Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious viral garlic butter eggs. Let's get into it. For this recipe, you'll need a few simple ingredients. Today I'm using salted butter because I don't want to have to add any salt to the recipe. I have freshly minced garlic, some chopped parsley, chili paste. I'm using some crushed red peppers, chicken bouillon, garlic and herb seasoning, sazon, and some paprika. So I know everyone knows how to boil eggs. Just boil your eggs for about 10 to 12 minutes or so. Now to a preheated saucepan, I will add my butter, allow those to melt. Then I'll follow up with my garlic. I like to add the garlic while the butter is melting so it can cook along with the butter. Next, in goes my chili paste. This will give the sauce some color without having to add a whole bunch of seasoning. So we'll add that in and then we'll go in with the seasonings, mix well, allow the seasonings to become well incorporated. And then the last thing we will add is our fresh parsley, and that's basically it, guys. The sauce is all done. We can go ahead and assemble everything. And here you have it, my version of garlic butter eggs. This was so delicious. If you're a fan of boiled eggs, you will definitely enjoy it. Just another way to eat boiled eggs. I heard it's also good for when you want to go on the egg diet. This is another way that you can enjoy the eggs as well. So give the recipe a try for me and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.